Okay, so today we're gonna dive into the quadrantal angles. You'll be able to go home and tell your parents, yeah, I learned about the quadrantal angles today. Or you'll get to stay home, I guess, and they'll say, what? You are such a genius. And you'll say, I know. So the quadrantal angles, those are the angles, I'm actually gonna clip you in here. Those are the angles that are actually on the axes, right? And remember that it's cosine, comma, sine. And this is 0 degrees, then 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, then also 360 degrees when we come all the way around. And then in radians, this is 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. So we have all the values now, okay? And if I'm asking you, okay, what's the cosine of pi over 2? You're going to go to the pi over 2, and then this point, and the cosine is the first one, so 0. What is the sine of 270? So I go to 270, sine is the second one. I say, okay, that's -1. What is the cosine of 180? That would be the first one. Cosine's the first one. C comes before S in the alphabet, so it's the first one. It would be -1. What is the cosine of pi? Same thing, because pi and 180 are at the same place. It's also -1. I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory, the cosine and sine of quadrantal angles. They're just, you literally go to where it is, and then you either pick this one's C, this one's S, this one's C, this one's S, this one's C, this one's S, this one's C, this one's S.